Hi and welcome back. This is the second PowerPoint when we will start working in math textbook. But before we start, please revise that there are three ways of writing the numbers: expanded form, standard form, and word form. Expanded form of writing the numbers is when you write an addition sentence and you add separately hundreds and tens and ones. This is called expanded form. Standard form is a form that we write when we write usual numbers. And word form is the form when we write words, the numbers in words. Let's see how can we do the standard expanded form. We will count first 10, hundreds, tens, and ones. How many hundreds do we have? 200. How many tens do we have? 3. 3 tens equals 30. How many ones do we have? 5. When we will take first digits of every number, we will get number 235. 2, 3, 5. 235. And how do we write it in the word form? Like this: 235. Between the tens and ones, we put usually a dash. Let's go to your book, please. Open up your math textbook on the page 395. Number 1 is already done for you. Let me just quickly check. Yes, you have 253. 253, where you have expanded form 200 plus 50 plus 3, and a standard form 253 on the line. So we will start with number 2. Let's read the number in the word form. 612. Now let's do the expanded form. First, we will count hundreds, then tens, then ones. How many hundreds do we have? 6. How many tens? 1. How many ones? 2. Now what will be the standard form? Again, don't forget, you will take the first numbers. From here you will take 6, 1, 2 and put them together. 6, 1, 2. How do we read this word? 612. 12. Let's go to the next page. 396. What we are going to do here is circle the models to match the expanded form, and then we will write the number in the standard form. To do that, I will need my pen. So, let's go. We need to circle models to match this expanded form. It says that we need to circle 4 hundreds. Let's circle 4 hundreds. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 400. Now, how many tens do we need to circle? This is 50. 50 has how many tens? 5 tens. Let's go and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Circle 5 tens. Done? Now, how many ones do we need to circle? 6. Let's circle 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will circle this way. Good. So, we circled how many hundreds? 4. We circled how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. We circled how many ones? 6. Now, put these numbers together and get the standard form. 4, 5, 6. 456. My page turned. I'm so sorry so quickly. Let's go to the next one, number 4. Again, we will circle the models to match the expanded form. Look at the expanded form. 300 plus 80 plus 2. This is expanded form. Here we have the written form, 382. So expanded form says we start with hundreds. How many hundreds we will circle? 3 hundreds. Circle 3 blocks of hundreds. Now, how many tens? How many tens is it in expanded form? 8 tens. 80 makes 8 tens. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Circle 8 tens. And how many ones in expanded form do you have? 2. Then circle 2 ones. Let's do it again. How many hundreds did you circle? 3. How many tens did you circle? 8. How many ones did you circle? 2. What will be the standard form? 382. Write it on the line. 382. Number 5. This is a little bit tricky. Please be careful. We have, look at the expanded form, 100 plus 8. 100 plus 8. We have only hundreds and only ones. We do not have any tens. So let's do and circle. 100. One block of 100. Now, do we have any tens? Do we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, or 90? No, we don't. So we will not circle any of the pink tens. How many ones do we need to circle? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Circle 8. You can circle them like this, for example. So let's go and count and write down. How many ones did you circle? Sorry, hundreds. 100. How many tens did you circle? None. That means what? 0. None means 0. And how many ones did you circle? 8. So what will be the standard form for the number? 108. 108. Like this. There must be 0 because we have no tens circled. Let's go to number 6. We have now a little bit different things to do. We need to circle the models to match the standard form. This is standard form. And then we will write the number in expanded form. So, standard form. It says 678. Let's start with hundreds. How many hundreds do we need to circle? See the number here? This is for hundreds. How many? 6. Circle 6 blocks of hundreds. Now, how many tens? This number in the middle is for tens. How many tens? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Circle 7 of them. And how many ones? The last number is for ones. That will be 8. Again, we have 8. Circle them. Now, we already have the standard form, so we need to write expanded form. How many hundreds did we circle? 6. we will write the complete number, not only 6, we will write 600. Remember expanded form? How many tens? 7. 7 tens equals 70. And how many ones? 8. So that's the expanded form. And the word form, 678. I believe I also have the numbers like this. I'm so sorry, I wrote them already for you, but it's okay. So that is expanded form. Let's do it one more time with last question, number 7. This is the standard form, 340. It means that we need to circle 3 hundreds, 4 tens, and 0 ones. Let's start with hundreds. 3 hundreds. Circle 3 hundreds. 3 hundreds like this. How many tens? 4 tens. Circle 4 tens. And how many ones? 0. None. So let's do the expanded form. How many hundreds did I circle? 3. You need to write complete number. 300. How many tens did I circle? 4 tens. 4 tens equal 40, right? 40, 4 and 0. How many ones? None. 0. Or I don't have to write it. This is expanded form, and the word form is 340. Well done. We are done for today. We are done for today. And tomorrow you will have a homework. The homework will be in your workbook. Pages R103 and P103. So, if you want to, you can do it now. If you don't want to, you can leave it for tomorrow. I will continue with the last PowerPoint.